Well, here's something you'll never see in the United States of America. This is the Ducati Corse factory MX2 team, or maybe you will see them for some of the riders, but they're definitely not getting the rig over the ocean there. Cab over rig, the giant slide room on it. And check out these bikes, man. There's some beautiful Red Bull, Ducati. That works together, Red Bull and Ducati, doesn't it? Has a nice sound. The 450 Desmo MX. Really nice. Here's the brand new Works edition right here. 2027 Ducati Corse 450 Desmo MX. Most horsepower of any production 450 made today. The DLC coated forks, Brembo disc brakes, XL rims, Aquapovic exhaust right out of the box. Now they've got these are coming to Rockville next month, guys. The Kaplan Cycles Ducati dealership that we're opening. Ducati 450 Desmo EDS. You want to get your name on one of these, give Junior a call, 860-471-0192. I know the factory editions are limited production. Here's one of the actual race bikes. Here's a production 450 MX. This is a non-Works edition. You can see that the forks have a different coating on them. And how about this? How about a Supermoto equipped with Olin suspension? How cool is that? That is one trick looking bike. I'd like to take that up to Loudon for a few hot laps. 450 MX Diego Menent. Live to Jump. This is one of the stunt rider bikes. Very cool. Ducati's all in on the MX team. They've got Justin Barcia doing the US Nationals. And expect to see a lot of these at the amateur events and the pro nationals going forward for sure. If you want to get one, give us a call. We'll hook you up.